TK, it's time for us to do reading. So today we're going to be working on activity pages 3 and 4. We have 2 objectives for this because we have 2 pages. We're going to get started with our objectives. Objective is what we are going to learn. Our first objective is I can identify rhyming words. So we're going to be hearing different words and deciding, do they rhyme? Or hearing a word and figuring out what word rhymes with it. Our second objective is I can recognize and continue patterns. So we're not just seeing them, but we're also thinking, what comes next? We need to look at what comes after them. Let's head down to the screen and get started. All right, TK, here we are. We're ready to get started on activity pages 3 and 4. So remember, our first objective is to identify rhyming words. So we are going to be looking at the pictures in each of our squares here. And in each of our squares, there is a little rectangle. In the rectangle, there is a picture. That is the word we are going to be rhyming to. There are 2 pictures below it, and we need to figure out which one rhymes with the picture in the rectangle. So we're going to go ahead and use our listening ears to listen to the recording and follow the directions.
This CD is about words that rhyme. Rhyming words end in the same sounds. Slip, dip, trip, clip, and hip are all rhyming words. Cut, hut, mutt, and nut are rhyming words. Hop, top, stop, drop, and pop are rhyming words. Now listen carefully and you will hear more rhyming words. First, look at the box with the mouse in it. Below the mouse, you see a house and a book. Say mouse and house with me. Mouse. House. Now say mouse and book with me.
Mouse, book.
Which word rhymes with mouse? House or book? Circle the picture of the word that rhymes with mouse.
So we need to think about which word rhymes with mouse. Mouse ends in the ouse sound. Ouse. Ouse. So we're looking for the ouse sound. Which word makes the ouse sound at the end? Is it house or book? Let's sound them out. Ouse. Book. Which one makes the ouse sound at the end and rhymes with mouse? House. House, mouse. They rhyme. They both end in the ouse sound. So I'm going to circle my house. So go ahead and circle your house. Let's check if we're right.
You should have circled the house.
Yay,
House rhymes with mouse. Now look at the box with the pie in it. Below the pie, you see a cup and a tie. Say pie and cup with me.
Pie, cup.
Now say pie and tie with me.
Pie, tie.
Which word rhymes with pie? Cup or tie? Circle the picture of the word that rhymes with pie.
Okay, so we need to figure out which word rhymes with pie. Pie ends in the I sound. I. Which word also ends in the I sound? Is it k up or t I? K up, t I, p I. Tie. Tie ends in the I sound. Pie, tie. They rhyme. So we're going to circle the tie. So I circle my tie. Let's see if we're right.
You should have circled the tie.
We got it.
Tie rhymes with pie.
Pie, tie.
Now look at the box with the bear in it. Below the bear, you see a pear and a sock. Say bear and pear with me.
Bear, pear.
Now say bear and sock with me.
Bear, sock.
Sock. Which word rhymes with bear? Pear or sock? Circle the picture of the word that rhymes with bear.
Okay, so let's think about the word bear. B-air. It ends in the air sound. Which other word ends in the air sound? Is it p-air or s-ock? Pear or sock? Which one rhymes with bear? Bear, pear. Bear, sock. It's the pear. Bear and pear both end in the air sound. So I drew a circle around my pear. Bear, pear. Let's see if we're right.
Pear.
We did
Pear
it.
rhymes with bear.
Pear rhymes with
Now
bear.
look at the box with the cake in it.
The cake.
Below the cake, you see a lamp and a snake. Say cake and lamp with me. Cake, lamp. Now say cake and snake with me.
Cake, snake.
Which word rhymes with cake? Lamp or snake? Circle the picture of the word that rhymes with cake.
Okay, so we need to think about which word rhymes with cake. Let's sound out cake. K, ache, k, ache. It ends in the ache sound. We need to figure out which other word ends in the ache sound. Is it lamp or snake? Let's sound them out. Amp, amp, or snake. Snake, snake. Which one also ends in the ache sound just like cake? The snake. The snake ends in the ache sound just like cake, so it rhymes with cake. Let's check our answer.
You should have circled the snake.
We did it.
Snake rhymes with cake.
Snake rhymes with cake.
Now look at the box with the fish in it. Below the fish, you see a dish and a hand. Say fish and dish with me.
Fish,
dish. Now say fish and hand with me.
fish, hand.
Which word rhymes with fish? Dish or hand? Circle the picture of the word that rhymes with fish.
Okay, so now we're looking at fish. Fish ends in the ish sound. Ish, ish. We need to figure out which other word ends in the ish sound. Is it d-ish or and? Which one also ends in the ish sound like fish? Dish. Fish, dish. They both end in the ish sound. So we are going to circle our dish because fish and dish rhyme. Let's check our answers.
You should have circled the dish.
Yay!
Dish rhymes with fish.
Great job, guys.
Now look at the box with the bug in it.
The bug.
Below the bug, you see a rug and a hat. Say bug and rug with me.
Bug.
Rug.
Rug.
Now say bug and hat with me.
Bug. Hat.
Which word rhymes with bug? Rug or hat? Circle the picture of the word that rhymes with bug.
Okay, so we are looking at the bug. Bug, let's sound it out. B-ug. B-ug. It ends in the ug sound. We need to figure out which other word ends in the ug sound. Is it ug or at? Which one has the same sound as bug at the end? Rug. Rug also has the ug sound at the end. Bug, rug. They rhyme. Let's double check.
You should have circled the rug.
Yay!
Rug rhymes with bug.
Great job, you guys. So that was activity page 3. Let's go ahead and move on to activity page 4. All right, here we are on activity page 4. Like we said, our objective for this page is to recognize and continue patterns. So we see some patterns made with colors and shapes on this page. Your job is to look at the patterns, see what the pattern is, and continue it. We're going to start with our first column at the top. What is this pattern here? What's the first thing we see? A square. And what color is it? Red. And then we see a rectangle, and it is black. So we have red square, black rectangle. Red square, black rectangle. What would need to come next? Red square, black rectangle. So you would go ahead and color in your red square and your black rectangle. What kind of pattern is that? A, B, A, B, A, B. It's an A-B pattern. Our A is our red square and our B is our black rectangle. So that's what we're going to be doing for the whole page. I know that you guys know how to do this, so what I want to quickly review with you is the type of patterns that we see here. We know that this is an A-B pattern. What about this one here? There's more than 2 things in this pattern. I see 3 separate shapes and colors. So what kind of pattern would that be? A, B, C. A, B, C. Our A is our orange triangle, our B is our blue rectangle, and our C is the brown square. Very good. So you're going to continue that pattern here. This pattern, this is a different pattern. I only see 2 separate shapes and colors, but one of them is repeated. So how would I name this pattern here? A, B, A, B, A, B. Our red circle is our A, and we see it 2 times. So we know that this is an A, B pattern. What about this one down here? You're right, it's also an ABC pattern, just like we had here. But this time, our A is a blue triangle, our B is a purple circle, and our C is a yellow square. Nice work, you guys. So what your job is now that you were able to recognize all the patterns, you need to continue them. So fill in what would be coming next in each of these patterns using the correct colors. Nice work, you guys. I can't wait to see your finished work. You're rock stars, and I'll see you back here for handwriting and phonics.